Hi everyone, welcome to Better Home. Bottles are used for storing and transporting liquids. After the use, most of the bottles end up in filling landfills or floating in water bodies. Bottle art gives us second life to the bottle. Through bottle art, we are contributing to the planet's welfare along with the value of our artwork. It's really an upcycling art. Possibilities stretch as far as our imagination.
Cover the bottle with a jute piece. Size of it should be in proportion with the size of the bottle and the work. Stick to with hot glue. Place the bottle in a comfortable slanting position to do the work. We are going to make bunch of strawberries. Homemade clay is used here. The preparation of homemade clay is given in my previous video and the link is given in the description box. Make the shape of a strawberry. Punch it with a toothpick or refill. At the bottom, gently punch. While at the top, put comparatively bigger holes. Make small strands to stick at the top of the strawberry. Carefully stick with the glue. Just flatten it to give a natural appearance. Now we can make leaves. You can add any type of color to the homemade clay, but I got best result while added oil colors. Make small balls, flatten it. Next to imprint Venetian pattern. Shape the edge of the leaf too. Yes, the leaf is ready. It's flexible, so we can place it beautifully according to the design. Originally, strawberry plant does not have any tendril, but to decorate the bottle and beautify the design, we can add tendrils. Place the clay on the palm, or you can roll it in any smooth surface to make a long and smooth tendril. Stick it using glue. Add strawberries one by one according to our pre-plan. Add leaf in between. For the perfection of the work, we should be very careful while adding leaves. The bottom part of the leaf should not be concealed below the strawberries. We can add one small spring-like tendril, gently twist and slowly take it out. I have added little yellow color to the tendrils to give it a tender and fresh look. We are adding some strawberry flowers too in the bunch. Tess will show you how to make a strawberry flower. It is a 5-petal flower. After drying, varnish the work for more durability and appearance. A small piece of jute at the bottle mouth will give it a good look. Yes, it's finished. The work that's spreading into the glass to the jute enhances the beauty. We can even directly do the work into the bottle. See this, I made it to show you the difference. This clay is not colored prior to the work. After drying up, we can paint it. This will give us the freedom for shading. But while painting, we should be very careful and fill it completely. You may try it and share photos. I will be back with another video on bottle art part 2. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.